This is Adolfo's first time driving manual. I'm not gonna tell him anything. You've driven a motorcycle, so it's the same concept of the clutch gear, gas, throttle, I guess. The clutch has to be in for it to go to.
How far?
There's like a halfway point. Like once you start letting off the clutch, you'll be able to feel.
That's neutral. I'm trying to fix this.
You'll be able to feel like when it's in gear. Like there's like a biting point.
Okay, yeah. That should be good though.
Yeah. So yeah, you're in gear.
So then, so it's the same of a motorcycle. Then I'm assuming I'm not gonna stall out.
Oh!
Okay, shit.
Oh shit!
Oh man.
What happened?
Oh.
You break it.
Oh no.
Put it again. Okay.
Ah, dude, it was better the first time.
The first one was better.
Oh man. So fully off the clutch there.
You want to shift to second?
Actually, let me loop back around on first.
So you might have noticed by now, but I somehow missed the e-brake being up the entire time. I was so focused on recording, I basically was not thinking about anything else. So that's probably what made it so hard for him to get out of first the first few times. And I'm pretty sure the e-brake is toast now.
Into second, what?
You
Clutch
put the
in,
clutch.
and this down?
Yeah.
Here we go. So clutch in. Shit.
No.
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
You're in neutral.
No, am I?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, okay, dude, I didn't put enough pressure on the foot. That is why.
The first few times you were giving like way too much gas.
Okay.
Instead, just let your foot off the clutch slowly, and don't even touch the gas. Just let your foot off the clutch slowly, and the car's gonna start moving. And then when the car starts moving, then put the gas like a little bit, like maybe like 1,500 RPM,
Okay.
and then slowly let off the rest of the clutch, and then keep going with the gas.
Okay.
Okay, I got out of the car now, and we're gonna watch him do some first gear shifts. So he's doing pretty good so far. He only is struggling with first gear. Like I said, he did have motorcycle lessons before, so he has the concept of the clutch, shift to first, gas, smoothly shift to first with the gas and slowly letting off the clutch. How was it?
It's good. I stalled. No, I didn't stall. I just let it rev too high.
On first or what?
First. Yeah.
But the other gears were smooth?
The other gears were smooth. Nah. After I let it like get pretty high on first, then when I switched to shift to second, I also did the same thing. No, I let it get too low.
Oh, too low.
So then it started like jerking.
Jerking really bad?
Yeah. Shifted to first and then doing it.
Alright, I take it back. He is not doing good. We're getting him out of the car. Oh my
Did you
god.
catch
Okay,
that?
what is happening?
I was too nervous.
I was just telling them how good you were doing.
I was too nervous. I was too
Okay.
nervous. Okay, here we go again. Here we go again.
Dude.
Dude, it's not me. It's the car. It's not automatic. Oak.
Uh-oh.
But I think it was just dirt that was flying. Oh, I don't know where it came from.
Smoke or dirt?
I hope it was dirt.
Yeah, he's trying to blow up the car. I took that fuse out the other day to put it in the 350Z, and I did not put a new one back. So the radiator fans were not on.
After the car cooled down, we went back home. So that's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.